I need fairly long nails, and I dig my nails into the stem there, like that. If you can see that, and that creates a slit. If you can see. So it's almost like a needle head. See that? And these are really pretty daisies. They've got purple underneath. So we get the other daisy. And this one, oh, this one doesn't have purple. This seems to be a different daisy. There's no purple ends on that one, but there is, if you can see that, purple. Can you see? See, it's purple there on that, so that must be a different species of daisy. So I get another daisy that I haven't put a hole in, and we link it through the gap, which is right here, like that, goes right through, and you pull it out like that. And then, so we pick another end, see how they're linked together. I try and pick a fairly fat stem, and then I will do the same thing again with my nails. So this will be easier if you do have long nails. So I'm puncturing the stem in the middle with my nail, and there you go again. Can you see that? Like this. If you can see. I learnt this when I was a kid, and I still remember it. It's like one of those things you will never forget once you know. Okay, so do you see the gap in there? It's like a needle head gap. So that's how small it is. And then we get another daisy, and we put it through. See? You see? It's like threading a needle with cotton. It's very similar. Okay. And these are so pretty. You can wear them as bracelets. You can make little bracelets, necklace, headband. So there, see how I'm digging in with my nail on the stem, right there. There, see the hole? I'm going to find a long daisy with a long stem to thread through. So there it goes, see? That is so cute. Look at that. My husband says I have too much time on my hands. I said, yeah, I'm a bored housewife. What do you expect? Yeah, I guess I'm like really lucky to be able to be this bored. Okay. Right. So yeah, it's tricky because you don't want to break it. But if you do, I think I've broken that one. Yeah, I have. So that one's broken, so I'll just rip that off and pick the other end, which is still okay. So we're going to try and pick daisies with thick stems to do this. There you go. Let's see if this one's worked. See that? Okay, I'll find one with the thick. Here's a nice thick one. So we're going to thread that through. So there you go. I've put a slit through there, and just like a needle, it's going through. There you go. Okay, so this is a nice thick stem, so you really want to pick daisies with thicker stems on them so that you can easily get your nail in. So here, I'm going to do it again. Right. There. See that? We'll put a hole in there. And find another one with a thick stem and thread that through. Okay. Go. You can see the hole there. Some of them you'll have to try and do again if the stem breaks. There you go. See? There you go. You can put them in your hair as decorations. Pin them in your hair. They're so cute. Okay, I'm just piercing this one. Show you again. Just got my nails in there. It's like a needle. There you see? Gap in the middle of the daisy. And thread it through there, like that. I think they're cute. They're so cute. Okay. Yeah. So if you have a lawn, like, let it grow out a little bit so that you can start getting daisies. And apparently wild lawns that are left get sunflowers if you don't mow them. But you can get some really big daisies as well, just growing wild on lawn when it doesn't get mowed for a while. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Show you the hole. See? Just like a pin needle. So you probably need good eyesight for this. There you go. Right. Yeah. It's another long, oh, this is a very long stem. So I could just thread it all through that one stem. So let's see if I can get it. Here it goes. See? So it's very much like sewing. So I'm just going to use this long stem here. That. Pierce it through. There it goes. Put that through there. Right. Okay. See that? Yeah. Ah, there's another one with purple ends. So I'm wondering if that's a different, that must be a different species of daisy. There, let's see. Go in. Through. Yeah. Okay. That. That's so pretty. I'll just tidy up some of the ends. You want to keep the ends still fairly long so that they don't break apart. But there. There's the daisy chain. I'm just going to finish it. And let me know how you get on. If you've had any luck making one of these. Okay.